kung merong andilim, siguro dahil pikit.
Objection, Your Honor. I'm sorry, but I've been giving leeway to opposing counsel, but I think she's been coloring, the contents of the documents more than what is shown in
Your
the
Honor, I'm
document
just reading. It
itself.
says here. And
No,
counsel
Your
can
Honor,
it says andilim.
I think you
It's the
know
way
my
it
point, Your
sounds, Your
Honor.
Honor. It's like patiting. That's the way it's spelled. And the next one, maybe you will object again. It's Alejandro A. Pikit. I was gonna say, kanya siguro madali. May pikit ang mata. Pikit.
Exactly, Your Honor, our point, Your Honor.
Pikit.
Counsel for the panel of prosecutors. I think you know what the counsel for the respondent is talking about.
Yes.
Kindly proceed accordingly.
Okay.
Your Honor, please may we ask for a 3-minute recess for this?
For what purpose, counsel?
So you can go over the folders and so I can sit down.
Ito po yung sample na
Trial is suspended for how many minutes, counsel? 3 minutes then.
Yan ang napala ni Atty. Lorna Kapunan, mga kababayan, talagang butata, supalpal at nilampaso ni Atty. Michael Pua, mga kababayan. Grabe, sinubukan pang gayahin itong si Madam Leila de Lima, mga kababayan. Pero hindi po umubra, talagang binarak agad ni Atty. Michael Pua kasi wala na po silang magandang maipakita, di ba? Kasi yung mga sinasabi po nilang pasabog, wala naman po sumabog, mga kababayan. Meron, pero sumabog po sa kanilang mga mukha yung mga sinasabi po nilang pasabog, okay? Naghahanap sila ng butas, lahat binibigyan ng malisya, pero ang ending, walang nangyari, mga kababayan. Wala po silang mahanap na mali. O di ba? Kaya itong si Lorna Kapunan, nangalay na, humingi ng break. 3 minutes kasi gustong umupo, mga kababayan. Grabe po talaga. Sobrang walang kakwenta-kwenta itong impeachment na to, mga kababayan. Nagsasayang lang po tayo ng pera, nagsasayang tayo ng oras, tapos ganito lang ang maririnig natin na itong si Lorna Kapunan, napakabagal, nakakaantok panoorin, mga kababayan. Kaya wala po talaga. Natapos po ang impeachment na walang gana manood ang mga tao. Kung kayo ay galing pa sa trabaho at balak po ninyong manood ng impeachment, mga kababayan, wag na ninyong sayangin ang inyong oras kasi wala kayong mapapala. O, diba? Pag sila ang nagsalita, meron kaagad silang preskon, mga kababayan, doon po sa House of Representatives. Tapos lagi po nilang sinasabi na panalo po sila, mga kababayan. O, diba? Ganun po lagi ang banat po nila. Tuwang-tuwa sila, gusto nila ipakita sa mga tao na talagang nagtagumpay di umano sila, mga kababayan. Pero ang totoo, wala. Yung pasabog nila, palyado po lahat, mga kababayan. Kaya itong mga video clip na pinakita ko po sa inyo, ito lang po yung nangyari na medyo may kabuluhan, mga kababayan, kung paano sinupalpal at winalis itong si Lorna Kapunan ni Atty. Michael Pua. Diba? Talagang nilampaso po si Kapunan, mga kababayan. Kaya ito, grabe itong mga abogado. Alam po nila kung ano po yung mga mali na hindi dapat gawin dyan sa impeachment. O, diba? Magpresenta kayo ng inyong mga witness, pero wag na ninyong kulayan. Yan po ang sabi ni Atty. Michael Pua sa kanyang pag-object. Pero ginaya po ni Kapunan, itong si De Lima, wala. Kaya pahiya itong mga nasa prosecution, mga kababayan. Wala po talaga silang makuha para mapatunayan na meron pong mali sa confidential fund itong si BP Sara, mga kababayan. Naghahanap pa po sila ng mga ebidensya. Fishing expedition po ang ginagawa, mga kababayan. Hanggang ngayon ay wala po talaga. Mga palpak ang mga kinuha nila. Tapos matitindi pa naman itong mga witness nila, mga kababayan, mga abogado. Pero hindi po umubra, mga kababayan. Basta pag nasa katotohanan tayo, hindi ka matatalo ng kasinungalingan. Ganon po yan. Kahit anong gawin pang paninira, hindi po obra yan, mga kababayan. Okay? Kaya ito, Panoorin po ninyo ang pinakahuling bahagi ng impeachment, mga kababayan. Ito po.
Alejandro A. Piquit, P-18-544 for 90,000 pesos. And the date here, again, is 12/21/2023. Purchase of information. Any observation, Mr. Witness?
Yung date of payment po na December 21, 2023 based on this document is outside po doon sa kanilang period of disbursement.
P-1-8-556 being shown to you and flashed on the screen is for Fiona Byong for 80,000 pesos. 12/22/2022 also for payment of information. Any comment, Mr. Witness?
Wala naman po akong particular observation on this AR kasi yung purchase of information is allowed naman po under 4.8 of the joint circular.
And the last two, also for payment of information, P-1-8-654 for Cisfronio Balsac for 70,000 pesos. And P-1-8-615 for Gabriel S. Bisaya for 70,000 pesos. 12/27/2022. Any observations, Mr. Witness?
Yung date of payment po ng December 27, 2023 which is outside the coverage po nung kanilang period of disbursement.
Now, having shown you selected few of these 845 acknowledgement receipts, can you confirm now that the ones shown to you and those that are part of your summary stated in your tabulation are the documents submitted to you by the Office of the Vice President by way of liquidation of monies allegedly paid to alleged payees and for alleged purposes?
Yes po, ma'am.
I will go now to the Office of the Vice President. What happened next, if any?
From what period po yung tinatanong niyo, ma'am? From the date of
After you received the response of the Office of the Vice President, what action did you take, if any?
I evaluated po the response, the explanation contained in the response as well as the documents po attached in the response, and nag-issue po kami ng notice of suspension dahil hindi pa rin po compliant yung kanilang submission sa ICFAO.
Again, can you remind us what a notice of suspension is?
Based on the Joint Circular 2015-01, notice of suspension is written notification to the head of the agency and the agency accountant, informing them of the temporary disallowance in audit of the disbursement because it appears that the disbursement is illegal, irregular, or improper, and that they are required to submit an explanation or justification or the documents being sought in the notice of suspension or both po.
If a notice of suspension is shown to you, P-1-13-A, which is a common exhibit with the defense, would you be able to identify the same?
Yes, ma'am.
And for better appreciation of the Honorable Impeachment Court, we will
Assisting
be
counsel of
flashing the
both
same
parties
on
may
the
approach.
screen.
You may proceed, counsel.
In your notice of suspension, which you said you issued, and which is a common exhibit, what were your recommendations thereat?
In this notice of suspension po, katulad po nung in-explain ko kanina, may mga payment of rewards silang ginawa in cash, in medicine, and in various goods, pero hindi po properly supported with any document evidencing success as prescribed po in item 4.8.5 of the joint circular. That is observation number 1 po.
We are flashing on the screen and for easy reference, this has been boxed, Your Honor. What else?
Also, in the NS po, yun, katulad din nung sinabi ko kanina, meron silang mga purchases na ginawa, which is yung purchases of medicine, which were given as rewards. Yung purchases of various goods, which were given as rewards. Yung purchase supplies, yung tables and tables and chairs, at yung desktop printers and computers ay supported lamang ng acknowledgement receipts instead of sales invoices or official receipts. And also with respect to the purchased tables and chairs and desktop printers and computers, hindi po nila indicate if these purchases were intended for the confidential operations of the Office of the Vice President.
What else is here in your notice of suspension?
Third po, yung ibang acknowledgement receipts po, yung receipts of payment ay naka-December 2023 at yung ibang acknowledgement receipts ay wala pong date kung kailan ni-receive ni payee yung payment po.
No. If these acknowledgement receipts, there are certain acknowledgement receipts dated 2023, if shown to you, would you be able to identify the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing to you now. Acknowledgement receipts dated December 20, 2023, beyond the period beyond the covered period of the last quarter of 2022. Please go over these documents.
Assisting counsel may show the witness the documents.
Your Honor, please, this notice of suspension, as I mentioned earlier, is a common exhibit, Your Honor, and I will call the witness to please take a look at Annex A of this notice of suspension, which appears to be a tabulation of these undated and dated 2023 acknowledgement receipts. Are you looking at it? Annex A? What is the total, Mr. Witness, based on your Annex A of your notice of suspension of the total amount for acknowledgement receipts issued for a period not covered by the confidential funds?
Can you clarify po yung question? Yung mga dated December 2023 po ba yun?
Yes, Mr. Witness.
Based on this annex po, yung total ng mga acknowledgement receipts na dated December 2023 ay 25,606,000 pesos.
For 2023, 25,606,000. What about confidential funds liquidated based on undated acknowledgement receipts na walang date? Undated.
Based po on
Is that also shown in your Annex A?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you tell this court how much that amount is for undated acknowledgement receipts na walang petsa?
Ang total amount po ay 3,276,000 pesos po.
Okay, and pag tinotal natin ito, magkano lahat ito ang nakalagay sa notice of suspension mo?
Yung undated tsaka December
Yes, Mr.
20.
Witness.
Bali, ang magiging total po ay almost 29 million pesos po.
Sa notice of suspension, what other findings are stated thereon?
Sa notice of suspension po, may findings din po about some expenses po na piniresent doon sa kanilang acknowledgement receipts na hindi presented doon sa kanilang accomplishment report.
What else, Mr. Witness?
Number 5 po dun sa notice of suspension, katulad po nung sinabi ko kanina, yung total expenses nila based on the acknowledgement receipts ay umabot ng 125,150,000, which is 150,000 in excess po doon sa kanilang total expenses based on the accomplishment report na 125 million pesos.
Let me try to understand this. Nag-issue ang total is sobra. Nag-liquidate, pero ang liquidate nila ay sobra sa amount na 150 million.
Ang ginastos po nila based on the acknowledgement
125.
receipts ay sobra po compared dun sa laman ng kanilang accomplishment report.
May discrepancy.
May discrepancy po na 150,000 pesos.
What happened? May notice of suspension. What happened after you issued this notice of suspension? If any?
After po ma-issue yung notice of suspension ay wala na po akong personal knowledge since nag-transfer na po ako to other audit sector po of the Commission on Audit.
Thank you, Mr. Witness. We have just finished the liquidation of the last quarter of 2022. We are we are mindful, Your Honor, of the request of the presiding judge to end at 2:30. Would you like us to continue? There are 3 more quarters for the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education. We can start for 10 more minutes or we can end here, Mr.
Let's end at 2:30, Council. Let's try
Yes,
to
okay.
use up the time.